Accommodate means to do a favor or service, help out, or provide space. It involves making something fit or suitable. Synonyms include oblige, lodge, and adapt, while antonyms are disoblige, inconvenience, and trouble. Amalgamate means to unite or combine elements into a unified whole. Synonyms include merge and consolidate, while antonyms are divide, separate, carve up, and break up. Commemorate means to preserve, honor, or celebrate the memory of an event or person. It involves acts of memorialization, ensuring that significant moments are remembered. The opposite actions would be to dishonor, forget, or overlook these memories, which diminishes their importance and impact. Exalt means to elevate in rank, power, or character, filling one with pride or noble feelings. It involves praising or honoring someone. Synonyms include elevate, raise, and uplift, while antonyms are lower, cast down, humble, degrade, demote, and depose. Far-fetched describes ideas that are strained or improbable, lacking logic or believability. Such concepts often deviate significantly from the main topic. Synonyms include unlikely and hard to swallow, while antonyms are likely, probable, plausible, and credible. It helps in evaluating the feasibility of ideas and arguments. Responsive describes someone who answers or replies promptly, showing interest and understanding. It implies being sympathetic, open, and receptive. In contrast, being unresponsive is characterized by insensitivity and lack of sympathy. It can enhance communication and foster better relationships. Sanctuary refers to a sacred or holy place, offering refuge or protection from capture or punishment. It serves as a haven, providing safety and peace. Synonyms include shrine and haven, emphasizing its role as a protective space. Submissive describes someone who is humbly obedient, often yielding to authority without protest. Synonyms include meek, compliant, servile, and subservient, while antonyms are rebellious, defiant, and insubordinate. Understanding these nuances helps in recognizing different behavioral dynamics in various contexts. A taskmaster is someone responsible for assigning work and ensuring it is completed efficiently. Often seen as a supervisor or slave driver, they wield authority to drive productivity. Understanding this role helps in recognizing the dynamics of workplace hierarchies and the balance between leadership and authority. Transform means to change completely in appearance or form, essentially making something into something else. Synonyms include alter and convert, while antonyms are maintain and preserve. Understanding this concept is crucial in contexts where change and adaptation are necessary.